Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting. Wanted to do a short video for you today. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the leadership mindset. Leaders are different, and I'm hoping that if you're a leader that you're already comfortable with that. If you're not, it's high time that you get comfortable with being different. Because leadership, my friends, is not the same as everything else. When we become leaders, we step up to a higher calling. First thing I would have you consider as you're thinking about your leadership mindset is, what exactly are you starting every day with in your mind? Are you anticipating growth? Are you anticipating change? Are you anticipating being proactive and positive at the front of all that change? If you're not, you've got a chance to make a change so that your mindset sets you up for success. We'll talk more about leadership mindsets in our next video. See you then.